I love Lululemon's ABC pants, or as they now call them, the Commission Pant Slim Warp Stream 34. Rolls right off the tongue. So when I saw some Gap pants that look pretty similar, I wondered, are these the alternative to Lululemon ABC pants? Are they going to save me a bunch of money? And I even found a 50% off coupon. Let's dive in. Now, you really don't need to watch any further to notice that we didn't exactly give the Gap Fit khaki pants a glowing review. And usually I like to, show what the clothes look like on, but as my wife said, they were borderline obscene. They didn't leave much to the imagination. So here's what they look like actually in person. As you can see, they kind of look like Lululemon ABC pants, but what's really hard to tell from these videos is they actually look like those really cheap like convertible pants, like those Columbia convertible pants like this. That's what they actually look like in real life. The pictures really don't do it justice as to how hideous they are. But the real killer is how loud they are. Listen to this little clip of me rubbing the pants together. Trust me, I wanted these Gap Fit hybrid khakis to work. I really did, especially since I got them for 25 bucks with the coupon. But unfortunately, I can't really recommend them for much of anything. Don't buy these. I'll post my full review of the ABC pants from Lululemon very shortly. I just want to have time to give it justice. They're my favorite pants. I wear them all the time, but the Gap Fit khakis are a hard pass. If you like checking out new products, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you like this video too. If you have a comment, question, let us know. Thanks for checking us out at We Tried It, and we hope to try out your favorite things. If you got a comment or question, just ask us in the comments below.